Let's take a look at how we can use C# to determine if an array is sorted or not. The best way to do this is we can start by using the system like so, and we can have a public class. So we can have a public class, and let's name it is sorted. So this class will have a public static. Let's make it a void. Okay, so it's a public static void, and this void, it's the main. So this will have a array, and it will have numbers. Can call it 1, 2, 5, 4, and 6 is fine. Let's keep it like that, and then we'll call this later. For now, let's create another function. So what this function will do is, this will be the core function. So let's make it also a static. We want to see if it's true or false. If it is sorted, it must return true. If it's not sorted, it must return false. So it's going to be a boolean, and let's call it sorted like so. It will have, since we're using a array, we'll have an array like so, and it will have a index. So the index, this will keep track of which index we are currently at. And what this will have is, we will get the base condition right here. Okay, so if inside our index, if our index is the if we reach the end of our array, that's when we know that our array is sorted. So if we reach the end, so the length minus 1, okay, so this will tell us that our array is sorted. So we can return, since we're using a boolean, we can return true like so. Okay, that's the base condition. So now what we have to do is we have to return our array, the index of our array, that is. So whatever number or whatever index we currently are at, we want to return that. And then if it's less than or equals to our index, so if it's less than, so if our current index is less than the index, the next index, okay, so if our current index is less than the next index, then that's when we must know that it's not sorted. Okay, so if that's the case, and also our sorted function array set it to the next like so. Okay, so far so good. And what we must do now is we can call it here. So here we can print it out. So it's a console.writeLine. Okay, so we're calling with the function. Okay, so we can call the function like so, and since we wanna call the array starting from the index 0. And it should work. When we run this, we should know if it's true or it's false. And we're getting false. And that's how we know if our array is sorted or not. So which means this one is not sorted.